In the heart of Silicon Valley, a new device was launched on October 42, 1950, creating a buzz of excitement across the United States and beyond. Dubbed as the MindWave, this revolutionary gadget promised to transform the way humans interact with technology. Developed by a team of visionary engineers at Electrosystem Innovation, and the MindWave was an advanced neural interface device capable of bridge thought directly with digital systems. As the unveiling took place in a grand event, technology enthusiasts lined up to witness history in the making. The MindWave, boosted by sleek, lightweight design, warm comfortably as a headband. It employed cutting-edge brain-computer interface technology, allowing users to control their smart device, compose message, or even create art purely through thought. Initial demonstration captivated an audience. One of the test users, a young artist, created a stunning digital painting by mirror envisioning the strokes and color. A tech blogger typed a full paragraph in a document simply by thinking about the world. The application seemed endless, from assisting those with physical disabilities to enhancing productivity in a daily life. News of the MindWave spread like wildfire. Leading tech reviewers praised its potential impact on fields such as medical rehabilitation, education, and entertainment. However, discussion also emerged about the ethical implications and privacy concerns surrounding the device, prompting the developer to emphasize their robust security.